everyone, this is me Janice here and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging and reviewing the Break the Silence movie by BTS. So this is a very exciting thing for me because I'm an ARMY and after so long this movie is come where I live. So I'm going to be giving a review of it and just telling you if it's worth watching or not. It's most probably worth watching, but just to make sure for you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notifications if you want to see more videos like this. Share this video, comment what you felt about it, give me some new suggestions. Here's my Instagram ID. You can follow me there, so let's go. Hey guys, so it's around 12 p.m. now and I'm gonna go have my lunch and then get ready. So I just want to show you the outfit that I picked. So I'm gonna be wearing this top and jeans, and this is the outfit that I showed you in my styling video with this bandana. So yeah, I'll just have my lunch and I'll be back. So we are at the theater right now. We just reached here. We are a bit late, but it's okay.
진이고요. 제 이름은 김석진입니다. 방탄소년단이란 팀에서 그중 멤버 한 명이고
So we just finished the movie and it was so beautiful. I loved it so much. Like it just had a different kind of beauty in it. What us armies got to see. Guys, so I came back some time ago and washed my hands and everything. So now I want to give you guys an honest review on this movie, which is Break the Silence by BTS, and this is a documentary movie. It's not like an actor or anything. So this movie was based on BTS's 2019 tour, which was Love Yourself, Speak Yourself. And by the name you know that what it advocates self-love.
Love yourself, speak yourself,
And I think that's a really important thing. And BTS having such a big audience and advocating people to love themselves is so incredible. And they visited a lot of places like the UK, the US, Chicago, New York. They had a lot of concerts there, Japan, Brazil, and in their own Korea. So this showed all the tours and the tours were just amazing. It was so beautiful, like all armies just screaming and shaking their army bombs. I don't want to spoil this, but I'm just gonna give you a good idea of what this movie is. And it was just so beautiful for my eyes to watch it, and I was just banging with the music. I could not really dance. It was in the theaters, so I wish I could have danced to that. And it was just beautiful. The production was done so beautifully, like the shooting and everything. The locations were absolutely beautiful. So this movie speaks about loving yourself, and they have shown how far they have come, because Jimin and Jin spoke about how they used to feel insecure before, but now they can just be themselves in front of armies and we accept them for how they are. And they said that if you don't love yourself, how do you expect others to love you? And that is so true. Most of the movie was based on each member talking about the two sides of their life. I got my brother's mic, and yes, let me give you an example of what they were trying to portray to the movie. So let me give an example of a member, that is Kim Namjoon or RM. So if for all the non-armies who don't know, yes, Kim Namjoon and RM are the same person, but RM is the stage name for Kim Namjoon. So he was portraying how he is as Kim Namjoon and how he is on stage as RM. So as Kim Namjoon, he is just a simple Korean guy who likes nature a lot. That was just so nice to see your idols off screen, and then he shows his RM self, which is on stage.
동안 우리를 스스로를 사랑하기 위해서 함께 견뎌온 방탄과 아미를 위해서 박수 한번 쳐주시죠.
Where he's so passionate and professional, and his stage presence is just amazing. So that's what they want to portray, and every member just gives their side of the story.
외로웠고 그렇게 또 외롭다 보니까 옆에 사람들이 보이더라고.
And seeing that on the tour, the fans just screaming and showing their love is just so amazing. It just shows how much people can love you for who you are. And they just came from a small place, and that gives so much inspiration to me too. From where you come does not matter, you can still rule the world. So I really liked that about the movie, and there were really cute scenes, just goofing around, smiling. And that was really heartwarming, and so I really like this movie. And if it's around you and you are an army or you heard about BTS, you want to know about them, you should definitely go and watch this movie. It's a bop. It's very beautiful movie, and they showed some of their old scenes and from where they were a rookie group. They said that they do not have a lot of expectations for themselves. They never thought of too high. They just wanted to have fun and go forward. But fortunately, today they are one of the biggest stardom in the world. There were a lot of eating scenes too. Like my brother was surprised why they eating so much, and he even told me that the only similarity between him and BTS was that they eat a lot. If you know BTS, you know how much they love food, and they still manage to stay so fit. And there were not a lot of people, obviously, because where I stay here in India, the army fandom is still growing, and I really want to watch the growth, and one day BTS will be known everywhere. Yeah. And one of the reasons for not a lot of people being there too was that this movie was not promoted properly where I live. Like, a lot of armies don't even know that this movie is come here. So I think they should have promoted it better. I heard that yesterday there were more people compared to today, a lot more actually. Today is the second day, tomorrow is the third, and then the 3-day show is over. And I feel like I will rewatch this movie again if I can download it. I really enjoyed the movie, and I do not regret even 1%. But on the other hand, my brother, who I took with me, found it kind of boring, and that's so weird. Like, how can you not? Because he is not that kind of movie type of person. He likes Salman Khan disham movies, which I don't. This movie had a very deep meaning of what they were trying to say, and they gave inspiration to the new artists too, to come out and portray something through their music, how BTS does. And they truly deserve all this love that they get from their fans, and so we love BTS so much. Actually, like the sound quality of this mic, it's my brother's, who is over there. You can go and check out. Okay. You can go and check his channel too. And I hope that you like this video, and meet you in another video. Bye.